The James Gichuru Rironi Highway is a 25 to 26 kilometer road corridor forming part of the A8 route, linking Westlands to Rironi in Kianda County. It is one of Nairobi's most critical western exits, carrying daily commuter traffic, freight movement, and long-distance transport towards Naivasha and western Kenya. The project was awarded in 2017 by the Kenya National Highways Authority, with construction undertaken by China Woi Construction Company Limited. The initial contract value stood at approximately USD 163 million, equivalent to about 18.7 billion Kenyan shillings, with the scope covering expansion of the main carriageway, construction of service lanes, interchanges, drainage systems, and pedestrian infrastructure along the entire corridor. Construction began with the main carriageway being built first, allowing traffic to use the road early. However, the project did not progress to full completion. Key components, including interchanges, service roads, and auxiliary infrastructure, were left unfinished, and the project stalled. According to publicly documented project discussions, the stalling was largely attributed to funding gaps, delayed compensation for land acquisition, and pending payments to the contractor. These challenges led to repeated extensions beyond the original completion target of 2020 and later 2023, neither of which were met. At its peak, the cost of completing the full scope of works was estimated to rise beyond the original contract, with the revised projection placing the total cost at over 24 billion Kenya shillings. Following a prolonged slowdown, construction activity has recently resumed, focusing specifically on finishing the sections that were previously left incomplete. On the ground, the stretch from Nairobi School to around Kianda School and up at the 87 Junction, construction is in full gear. What is now visible is revival work, concentrated on service lanes, drainage systems, road shoulders, and junction improvements. Rather than continuous construction across the full 25-kilometer corridor, work is being carried out in targeted sections, prioritizing areas where missing infrastructure has continued to constrain traffic flow and safety. This phased approach explains why progress appears fragmented on the surface. Ultimately, the significance of this corridor cannot be overstated. It serves thousands of daily commuters between Nairobi and Kiambu County, supports commercial traffic, and directly influences development patterns along its length. Without completed interchanges and service lanes, congestion simply shifts from one point to another. The current works, therefore, represent a critical stage, an effort to finally deliver the infrastructure as originally designed. As construction continues, the pace and consistency of these remaining works will determine when motorists can fully experience the benefit promised nearly a decade ago. This is Nairobi Prime. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.